here at the elevator at Shady Maples, Smorgasburg, Lancaster, PA.
Oh, that's a GAL.
GAL.
GAL fixtures, that is. I don't know what that's a brand. So it could be Otis.
Shady Maples.
Ooh, that's nice.
What was the radio? Sorry.
Thank you.
That's okay.
It's got an old bumper. It's a Lancaster elevator.
Lancaster. Lancaster.
It was built in the year 2000.
Can't go up.
This one's got an old bumper. That's from 2000. 3 looks like it's not for us.
3 is locked out. It is a rear entry.
We're here to celebrate somebody's birthday.
Well, we're here to see a friend. Here's the old pump that Patrick likes playing with.
Never been on a Lancaster elevator before.
Goodbye.